Fast business loans. If you are in urgent need of business financing, whether an unexpected shortfall or an opportunity that you can't pass up triggers that need, there is a vast crowd of fast business loan providers awaiting your call for help. In fact, fast and easy or same-day loans has been the catchphrase of many alternative lenders, making it overwhelming for you as a borrower to find out which ones are best for what you need. For starters, most fast business loans do not usually look into your credit history, as such may take time. However, these types often offer higher than average interest rates because of the lack of security, considering that lenders, primarily focused on delivering the loan to you as soon as possible, take only a few minutes to verify the information you provide them. Instant business loans also usually offer short-term repayment arrangements, the maximum usually running up to 5 years. However, if speed is your ultimate criterion, here are the top lenders in the United Kingdom who can give a decision as well as transfer your needed funds as soon as you fill out an application form and comply with a few required document submissions. Ultimate Finance. Application, 6 to 8 minutes. Transfer of funds, minutes. Ultimate Finance claims it had completed a fund transfer in just 11 minutes and 16 seconds. Specially designed for small and medium entrepreneurs, Ultimate Finance's cash advance can cover up to £25,000. A business cash advance is cash lent based on your future credit and expected debit card sales. With cash advances, you don't have to repay every month. Instead, your payment, a pre-agreed portion of your earnings, is automatically deducted once your credit card receives payment for sales. Approved borrowers pay a fixed rate within an agreed 30, 60 or 90-day period. Funding options. Average overall processing time, from the application to the transfer of funds, within 2 days. Funding Options is not a direct lender. Trusted by the British Business Bank, it instead scours the market to link you to a lender that suits you best, whether that be a high street banker or a finance specialist for small entrepreneurs. Nevertheless, despite being a middleman, it seems to deliver cash the fastest, as it even claims to have a record 1.5 hours of processing a loan, from initial inquiry to transferring the funds into the business bank account. Meanwhile, its record approval, covering inquiry, only took 7 minutes. Lenders have different sets of security-related criteria against which your capability to repay will be weighed. These criteria may include your asset value, personal credit and your business revenues. Evaluating how much you can pay will determine the loan size that lenders will be willing to give out. The lenders that Funding Options work with usually lend as much as 30% of your annual turnover. Love Finance. Application, less than 5 minutes. Transfer of funds, within 24 hours. To apply for a fast business loan at Love Finance, your business must have been trading for at least 3 months minimum, have a valid business debit card, a director/owner/partner of the company, your business has a minimum annual turnover of £35,000, is UK-based business, a personal guarantee may be required. At Love Finance, it takes less than 5 minutes to complete your application, after which it may seek for additional documents it deems necessary. Once approved, it will send you a personalized e-doc which you can sign digitally. Money will be sent to your account within 24 hours. Love Finance can offer between £1,000 to £500,000. Annual interest rates start at 2% while the payment period is made flexible within a 5-year term. Infund. Application, minutes. Transfer of funds, within the same day of the application's approval, which takes just hours. Trading for at least 6 months is the loan eligibility requirement for an Infund loan. Infund allows you to access £3,000 to £150,000 with an interest rate starting at 1% per month for a maximum of 12 months. Infund loans are unsecured. You can apply for credit top-ups after 1 month, and you only pay interest for each day you have the funds. You can also repay early to relay less. Selena. Getting a quote, 2 minutes. Application, less than 10 minutes. Transfer of funds, within 5 working days. Selena is a secured loan that accepts only residential properties for collateral. The equity in your home is calculated by subtracting the total outstanding mortgages on your home from its current market value, meaning Selena can only offer you a business loan if you have 1 or more outstanding mortgages on your property. Selena can fund up $25,000 to $200,000 per property. This type of loan is beneficial for you if you have more than 1 residential asset to apply for multiple loans if you intend to borrow beyond the cap. Selena offers a 5-year repayment term. It has a fixed interest rate in the first 3 months, while the remaining months throughout your loan period will observe base rates as published by the Bank of England. The base rate will be reassessed quarterly. You will receive a notice informing you in detail the changes in your monthly payment not less than 7 days before the new interest rate takes effect. Should the Bank of England base rate be discontinued or unavailable at any point of recalculation, Selena will use its discretion to select an equivalent benchmark rate. Aside from account registration and maintenance fees, Selena doesn't impose any other charges. Libraries. Getting a quote, in a minute. Application, less than 5 minutes. Delivery of decision, within a day of application. Transfer of funds, in a few days rather than weeks in traditional banks. Liberi's Business Cash Advance offers £2,500 to £300,000 with a fixed cost at a minimum of 9%. An added benefit with cash advances is that it does not affect your credit score. Some 70% of Liberi's applicants have been approved. Since 2007, Liberi's has advanced over £100 million to small businesses in the UK in need of short-term loans amid harsh economic conditions. Loan tip. The sets of time stated above for the processes each lender completes is information obtained from their respective websites, meaning these may be just estimates on their part on the average time they complete the entire loan process. Some of these estimates are also made on the assumption that borrowers are prepared with the required documents. Most lenders emphasize that the speed of the process partly hinges on how quick the borrower can respond to lenders whenever the latter seeks extra information or documents. While lenders' requirements may vary, it may be better to get ready with your complete audited financial statements, your business plan, business registration number, the exact date of incorporation, and other materials and details related to your business which you don't usually need to have in hand or remember every day but may, nevertheless, be required for a loan application. Bottom line, the more prepared you are, the bigger the chances that the lender will immediately deliver the cash to your bank account. Provided a competitive and flexible finance package. All in all, would certainly do it this way again.